or self-control. Never heard of it, don't want to be a part of it. She eats badly occasionally. When she eats badly, that's my opportunity to shine. You know, it's like, oh, we got sweets in the house. I'll get to eat as much as she eats, because if I eat what I want to eat, there's judgment involved that I don't even like eating anymore. You know what I mean? So she got into chocolate chip cookie dough over the pandemic. I can support that. I love chocolate chip cookie dough. But for her, eating badly, this is going to be offensive to the sweet tooths in here. For her, eating badly is 1 or 2 little spoonfuls in a week span. That'll make you angry? Like, you know how chocolate chip cookie dough comes in a 1-pound plastic wrapper like ground beef? That's 1 serving. You know how I know? They don't offer a resealable package. They're asking you to be an adult about this and finish it like a banana. And the real dessert for men over 35, Tums and Rolaids. I know that. I look forward to it every day. She got into my favorite snack over the pandemic. Some of you will love this cookie as well. We both became very addicted to double stuffed Oreos. Anybody like double stuffed Oreos? Make some noise. It's a fantastic cookie. Matter of fact, if you hear this Oreo, you can stop making the original Oreo. It's an inferior cookie. Who is that for? Is that for the person that likes to dip their cookie in milk and eat it while it's still crunchy, aka serial killers? Yeah, I think so. We need double stuff. The rest of us, we love double stuff because we like a little thrill in our life. We have to hold on to the very edge. We hold it under so long, we know it can fall to the bottom of the glass at any moment, ruin everything. We like to waterboard our cookies like, who do you work for? Who sent you? And then you realize why the double stuff. It offers rigidity so you can swing it up to your tongue and then it can dissolve. I've thought about this a lot. Let's move on. All right,
We are still here. Hope to see you tomorrow. Are you performing tomorrow? Today? What time? I'll be there. Remember my hijab? Yeah, I'll be there. On the front seat. I will. We are leaving the floor. 24-hour sailing again. We play some table tennis. Now we are going to rest. Everybody's tired. And here is Bhalu with the souvenir. I'm sure we bought some souvenirs for you guys. Ajay, आप 19, I'm 19, you're 7.
Okay.
You're about to lose $1,000. 20 or 7. अच्छा 20 और 8.
9, 8 और 9 आते हैं.
अच्छा चलिए 9 आपके खाते. Now 21 and 9. $1,000.
Yeah, right.
Right here on the table.
केला है ना?
सोने का केला है. मैं चाहती हूँ आप अपने जाते जाते हारने के एक्सप्रेशंस दें और कहें कि मुझसे गलती हो गई जो मैंने आपको इस तरह थ्रेट किया और मैंने आपको चैलेंज किया. मैं माजरत चाहता हूँ और मैं आपको $1,000 शाम को दे दूंगा. करें इकरार?
$1,000 आप मुझे, मैंने आपको हराया है.
21 और 7 पे कौन हारता है?
7 आपके हैं, 23 मेरे हैं.
हाँ नहीं ऐसी बेमानी नहीं हो रही. चले ना इकरार कर ले तो छोड़ दूंगी वरना बहुत बुरा हराऊंगी.
एक दफा हो जाए दोबारा.
इकरार कर लेंगे मैं छोड़ दूंगी वरना मैं आपको इतना बुरा हराऊंगी कि आप कमरे में भी जाने के काबिल नहीं.
फेयर गेम.
अच्छा फिर Thank you. So, oh yeah, that's what I want. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Some hot sauce. I miss my home cooked meal.
Tomorrow, so let's enjoy.
Yeah. Day after tomorrow, I'll be making some biryani or some spicy food at home.
You know, I like chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Butter chicken.
Yeah, my daughter loves it. Yeah.
Oh, naan, yeah.
Garlic naan. Oh my goodness.
The naan is good now.
We already set a menu. As soon as we go home, we're going to eat like lentils with
Yeah.
naan and biryani and kebabs.
Yeah. In
beef kebabs.
Yeah. In Thailand we have like plenty of the Indian food. Then I really enjoy.
Oh yeah.
And butter, but butter. How can I say?
That's our Thai food.
Lian? No, I mean
Hopefully
dal.
it tastes good.
Dal, right? Dal panja.
Oh, the lentils. Lentils?
Yeah,
Lentils?
So I gotta find my way down there. I'm on my